Hey guys, hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to make this cool yet simple login screen completely on Adobe XD. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to select an artboard which is XR Max, and then I'll place this here, give it the same color, give this the same color of the artboard which I made earlier. Then I'll copy the Instagram logo, place it right here, and then I'll make a line just like this, make it white and make this a little bit short, and then make another line, place it here just like this, and give it white color. Then I'll make a rectangle and place this to center, and place the above two lines also here to align the X. I'll remove the border and then I'm going to duplicate this. Then I'll copy the color which is 74D9C8, and I'll write some text, log in, and another text, got password, click here, make this small, place this in the center and give it a gray color, duplicate this and right here don't have an account, click here and place this in the center, and then I'll make this rectangle of width 1. So our first artboard is done, and we need to Ctrl+C Ctrl+V8, then zoom in, and the tiny line which you have made, click on that line and move it like this, and the left part of this line and this line should be aligned, which is not in my case, so I'm going to move this, and then copy the height of this rectangle which we have made. So copy this and then paste it and make the width 0, and I have to make the X 72 to align this. And then make another line here and give this also white color, and then our second artboard is also done. Ctrl+C Ctrl+V this and bring the third artboard here. Click on the line and give this the same width of this rectangle, which is 273. So I'm going to copy this, paste it here, and then we are going to make the line. So this should be 444, and this should be 583. Color white again. This artboard is also done. Then select this artboard, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and so select this tiny line which we made, and this line and this line should be aligned, so like this, and then make another line here, give it white color, and this artboard is also done. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, place it here, and then select the line and bring it right here, so the gap of 10 pixels, and make this width 272. We are done with this artboard also. Then select this artboard and duplicate this, and I'm going to move it. And then add some text over here, like I'm going to add username, make it in the center, place it right here, give it white color with 40% fill. Then I'm going to duplicate this and give it black color with 40% fill, and right here password. Make this also in the center, and let's come over here and make a circle of 176 by 176. Remove the fill, make it in the center. Go to size, make it 5, then it should be 86, the dash should be 86, and this should be 356. Sorry, 456. Yeah, to make the corner round, click on round cap, make it here, and then change the color to white, and make the dash to 1, and duplicate this 3 times, so 1 2 3, and then this artboard is also done. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then click all the artboards and make the dash to 86 again. Then click on username, make it in the middle, click on password, place it in the middle, and then make this a 100% fill, make this a 100% fill. Then again duplicate this and click on ellipse one by one. So I'm taking this ellipse, making it right here, taking this right here, and the last one right here. So in total we have 8 artboards. So first one second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So let's go to prototype section. Click on the first artboard, drag the arrow right here, click on time, auto animate here, and easing should be none and the duration should be 0.3. Then repeat the process, but this time duration should be 0.8. Repeat and the duration should be 0.3. Again 0.8. Again 0.3, then 0.8, then 0.5. So we have done the prototyping, and let's see how prototype looks. So here we got the same prototype which was in the starting of this video. So write down in the comment whether you like the login screen or not, and you can comment if you are having any problems. I'll surely reply it and try to solve your problem. And you can also follow my Instagram account. I keep posting UI prototypes and guides over there, so again it will help you out. And thank you for watching this video, and until the next one, bye bye.